Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. Oh, my hair straightener is all the way heated up. Good. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair with like the big voluminous curls. I've had some questions about how I do that and what I use to get it so like big and fluffy. If you guys want to see how I do my hair with the big curls and get lots of volume, then let's get into the video. So I just blow dried my hair, but before I blow dried it, I did use some of this a tonic thickening spritz. So this is just like a little thickening spray for your hair. You use it when it's wet. There's tons of different thickening sprays. I don't know if this one does anything amazing or not. It's just, I think all thickening sprays kind of do the same thing. So just whatever you prefer, but use something that's gonna help your hair like when it's wet. So just get some volume in there before you actually dry it. Or while you're drying it, however that works, I don't even know. But another thing that I think makes a huge difference is this IGK 30,000 feet volume powder spray. This stuff is, I think, what makes the biggest difference in my hair. I use lots of different thickening sprays, thickening things. This one's kind of different than anything I've used. It's just like a powder, but it comes out like a little poof. So I already have some in my hair, but like you just kind of shoot it out and it just kind of gets powder everywhere. I just kind of rub it in. There are others like this that I've used, but those ones, I feel like they make the texture of my hair just like feel really like, not greasy, but just weird. I don't know, like this definitely, you can feel it in your hair. Like it's not like fresh, clean hair, but it's a lot less than those other ones, and I feel like it just kind of disappears. There's some where I do it and I feel like I could just see like this white powder in my hair. So I've really been loving this. It is kind of pricey. I got mine at Sephora. I don't know where else you can get it, but I mean, it's lasted a while and I think it just makes a really big difference. I don't know, it's just the best like hair volumizing powder that I've used. I know dry shampoos do also usually help volumize as well, but something about that one, I don't know, I love it. So let me brush out my hair. But what I like to do first before I go in with a curling iron is go and like straighten, because I have, for some reason, like the side of my head gets all these like weird kinks right here. So I like to just kind of straighten that part out and get a little smoother before I curl it, because when you curl it, it doesn't really straighten that part. So let's brush. And I am getting my hair cut in a couple of days, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna pretty much go like to here, I think. Like take a good chunk off. I've needed a haircut for a while, so I figured I'd make this video before I cut my hair, and then I'll probably do like a hairstyling video after I cut it, once I like figure out how I do my hair when it's shorter, just because it's been a while. But so I take my straightener and just kind of go along the edges. Just at the little parts that need it, because hair straighteners are very damaging, so you don't want to use it if you don't have to. But I just feel like it helps so much to like just kind of straighten it first. Just like that. I don't really do the top part because it's pretty much already straight. It's just these sides. I don't know why. And then I also like to just go on the back. Take this back little section, because a lot of times I'll get like little kinks right in there. So I just take this little part and just straighten this so that way there's no weird things happening in the back there. Alright, so then I will turn off my straightener and plug in. I have this, I think it's a 1-inch curling wand. It's A really cheap one. This is Be Bella is the brand. I think it was like 20 bucks somewhere. So you don't have to get expensive things, just ones that actually work. I don't know why they make the cords so long on those hair straighteners. So while that's heating up, I'll just section off my hairs. I feel like bigger sections can look better. They just look a little bit more messy. So let's go like a little bit above my ears. So then, of course, have your glove because I don't want to burn my hand. And then I like to take a big section and brush it out. So the side of the hair that I'm curling is the glove side. And then I take the wand and I go kind of over my head. And then I just curl away from my face. But then I also kind of angle it to the side. Oh. Okay, so I twist it like that and then just kind of hold it and angle it to the side. I don't know why, it just gives me the curls that I like when I kind of angle it. It helps to make it a little more like wavy and not so like ringlet-y. Ringlet-y? Is that a word? So then, just like that, and then I just keep going. So just away from the face and then angle it to the side. Pretty simple, just basically the whole thing. And then after each section, like before I take more hair down, I'll hairspray all of this layer and just make sure it stays really well. I used to love the way, I think it's like a weightless something, I don't know, but it was so good. It held my curl for so long. Like I wash my hair once a week, and so I only want to curl my hair once a week, and I like the curls to kind of stay but like get a little bit looser every day. That hairspray is the best at that. It's amazing, but I'm just sick of the smell. I can't stand the smell anymore, so I'm trying to find a hairspray that's as good, but I haven't been able to find one yet. So if you guys know of a good hairspray, let me know. But the point of this is to make it a little messy and wavy and not so like perfect ringlets or anything. So and I like to hold the curl as far up as possible, just so the further up that you go, the more like volume you get up in the top or like root part. If you just like kind of curl the bottoms, you're not going to get any volume. And it's more important, especially as you go up, to like curl as much as you can and get up in the root. So I'm just using the Amika Headstrong hairspray. This one's pretty good. It does last. I feel like it's just like a little firmer than I want. Like it's, I mean, you'll see when I'm all done, it kind of just holds everything, like, I don't know. But I do like it. It's just, it's not my favorite. So I just go and really spray those like really well, and then I will let another section down. Oh, come on. And just keep going, and I think I'll just speed past this and I'll turn on some music, and then I will show you what it's like when it's done. Okay, so now I'm done curling, and I don't know if you saw it good enough in the video, but as I curled the top ones, I kind of held it there for a minute and then also kind of sprayed the root from both sides. And it just kind of helps to give you that volume. Just kind of hold it in place and just keep it lifted up. And then, so now that it's looking so good, I usually just like leave it like this for like half hour, whatever, just a little bit so that the curls can just kind of hang out and just really get set in there and just really, you know what I mean? Like just really get set and like stay in there. So I'll just walk around the house like this, and my kids and my husband are always like, what are you doing with your hair? And I'm like, oh, it's not done. Like, don't worry about it. Or I'm like, oh, don't you like it? It's the new style. But yeah, it looks really cute, just like this, I know, but we're gonna like shake it up and make it a little more looser. But I'm gonna let it set for a few and I will be right back. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I've just kind of let my hair sit. So then what I do is I just very gently just start moving it around. I'm just trying to like relax everything a little bit. And then I'll take the sides and like comb through a tiny bit with my fingers. And then kind of like comb through my roots a little bit so it's not so like stuck with the hairspray. Kind of keep doing that until I'm happy with it. You can even like put your head upside down and just kind of loosen everything. It's in my face. And then it's like, I never know where my hair is gonna part. Like sometimes it parts this side, sometimes it looks better the other side, sometimes it looks better in the middle. It just depends. So, okay, then that's pretty much how I like it. So let me show you the back. Just has so much like volume and like bounce to it, but it's a very like relaxed curl. So I've really been loving doing my hair like this. I feel like it looks better, like the second and third day is like when it looks the best. I don't like doing my hair all the time. It damages my hair. My hair's already like got so many split ends. I don't like just curling it, straightening it all the time. I try to just do it once a week. But like, I feel like it just gives me so much volume on the top. And then if you wanna like switch sides or whatever, like it just is so much more volume than I'm used to. My hair is usually like really flat and just kind of like, just not good. So when I do this, I feel like it just looks so good. And then at night I use a little dry shampoo so that way it doesn't get greasy. And then usually in the morning, I'll just do a little bit of hairspray after I part it or whatever. And then I'll use some kind of like hair serum or oil just to make it look a little bit more shiny and healthy. But I think it helps define the curls a little bit better too. I usually don't do that on the first day just because it already has hairspray in it and stuff. Yeah, that is how I style my hair to get this big volume, kind of messy, wavy look. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments any other like hair videos that you guys would want, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.